Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play DayZ online. First, you will need to purchase the game from a digital storefront, such as Steam. Make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements, which typically include at least 8 GB of RAM and a decent graphics card. Once purchased, proceed with the installation, ensuring all necessary updates are applied. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth and immersive survival experience in the vast world of DayZ. After installation, launch DayZ and navigate to the server browser. Here, you will find hundreds of servers, each offering a unique experience. Use the filters to sort by ping, player count, and game mode to find one that fits your preferences. A low ping, ideally under 100 milliseconds, ensures a smoother connection. Choose a server with a player count that matches your desired level of interaction, from quiet exploration to intense player versus player combat. Upon joining a server, you will create your survivor, customizing their appearance. Familiarize yourself with the basic controls for movement, inventory management, and interaction with the environment. Your immediate goal is survival. Prioritize finding food and water, as your character's hunger and thirst meters will quickly deplete. Search for essential gear like a basic weapon, a backpack, and warm clothing to protect against the elements and other threats. As you progress, you will discover the depth of DayZ's gameplay. Teamwork and communication are vital, especially when encountering other players or dangerous infected. Explore the vast open world, which spans over 225 square kilometers, for rare resources and strategic locations. Consider joining a community or group to enhance your experience, offering camaraderie and shared objectives in this challenging survival simulation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.